Alright guys, so today is Sunday, February 18th, and no gym today, but me and Brody are gonna go on a little hike, so that'll be fun. Yeah, so it's just a short video today, just like the drive to his house, so nothing much, but so just to get into it, the quote for today is, if you spend too much time thinking about something, you'll never get that thing done. If you spend all your motivation towards a subject, towards a thing, about planning and thinking about it, like, oh, this would be awesome, this would be really cool. Yeah, it would be really cool. You have to take the initiative to start it, you know? Something can be very cool. You have to be the one to essentially push yourself into making that thing happen. It's not just gonna happen overnight or by itself. The only one who controls that is you. So always keep that in mind. The only one holding you down from anything is yourself. So use that to your advantage. You have the power to control anything you want. You have the power to write your own story. Let's go. That's so clutch. This light, I know you've obviously heard me talk about it. I'm not going, asshole. It's just moving up. No. This light takes forever and someone just pressed the button to go, so it should be faster. But, anyways. I hear a lot of people say, like, I wish, or I really want to, or I bet I could, and it's like, yeah, if that's like cool stuff. Like, you can want to do that. The only person who can make that thing happen is you. You're the only one who stands in your way. So, okay, never mind. I was fucking wrong. This shit's gonna take forever. If you have something that you've been wanting to do, or maybe essentially your dream, go make it happen, because you have the potential to do it, and it's never too late to start something. So I think that's really what I'm just trying to say. So I'm almost here. I won't stop the video just because I'm on like a main road. So, but tomorrow should be chest. It's President's Day, so no school. LFG. But yeah, other than that, excuse me. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, okay? Word.